In our report today, we will discuss the global business environment, considering ethical issues. But before we delve into this topic, let us first examine what is ethics.
So, what is ethics? So, ethics is essential as it guides individuals and organizations to act with honesty, integrity, and fairness. Also, it promotes trust, accountability, and justice in society by considering the greater good. Ethics contributes to positive social change and sustainability. Upholding ethical principles helps maintaining legal compliance and enhance reputation. Why is it important? So, ethics is important because it provides a moral framework that guides behaviors, foster trust, integrity, insureness, fairness, and justice upholds. Accountability contributes to the better good and also helps maintain legal compliance. Acting ethically is essential for individuals and organizations to create a positive impact, build trust, and contribute to a better society. So let us focus on our topic on the global business environment considering ethical issues. The first paragraph is introduction. So into this interconnected globalized business environment, the landscape of business ethics is rapidly evolving and emphasize the importance of ethical decision making. Companies face the challenge of balancing conflicting objectives such as maximize profit while adhering to social responsibility, balancing autonomy and collaboration, and reconciling innovation with the need for order. This challenge raised critical questions about which ethical standards to follow in global cooperate setting and the existence of universal ethical norms across borders. So the article explores the complexity of ethical decision making in international business, aiming to provide management leader with a foundation for making better ethical choice by embracing ethical principle and develop innovation strategy to address ethical dilemmas. Also, companies can establish a sustainable framework for business ethics that supports long-term success and positive change in the dynamic global landscape.
So, in this second paragraph, it is the impact of globalization and liberation policies on the business community, prompting a revelation of approaches to conducting business. It is discusses the multifaceted nature of globalization and its effects on business culture, emphasizing the challenges and complexities that arise. The article explored ethical dilemmas in global business, highlighting the difficulty of decision and the importance of considering stakeholder interests and ethical decision-making process. It also addressed the global ethical dilemmas faced by businesses, stressing the need for proactive measures to prevent unethical behavior and promote ethical conduct. The discussions extends the analysis to schools and global business ethics, emphasizing the complexity of ethical concern across international boundaries and the importance of navigating cultural differences and ethical decision making.
The article conclusion highlights the importance of integrating professional ethics and top-notch business practices to achieve a lasting competitive advantages in the global market. It calls for a proactive stance on business ethics and stresses the necessity of a balanced approach to achieve business in both strategy and ethics. The conclusion recommends fostering relationship as a way to navigate ethical challenges in international trade and emphasize the value of appreciating different cultural perspectives and ethical decision making. It also encouraged further empirical research to identify techniques for ethical decision making and global arena, especially within the framework of globalization and liberalization policy.
Our group generalization acknowledges that ethical decision-making in the global business arena is complex. It necessitates navigating cultural differences, respecting stakeholder interests, and integrating ethics into core strategies. Compliance with regulation is insufficient. Proactive adherence to ethical standards and addressing societal concern is essential. The balance of conflicting objectives and incorporation of professional ethics foster sustainable competitiveness. Ultimately, ethical considerations are both morally imperative and strategically vital for enhancing reputation, mitigating risks, and achieving long-term success. Cultural understanding, stakeholder engagement, and ethical steadfastness are crucial for navigating global business ethics.
My takeaway from this research is a discussion about how businesses can achieve a sustainable competitive edge by prioritizing exceptional customer value and satisfaction, underpinned by strong ethical practices. To navigate the complexities of global business ethics, companies must adopt a proactive approach that incorporates diverse ethical perspectives, including relativism, imperialism, and universalism, by building trust, maintaining ethical reputation, and engaging with international stakeholders. Businesses can enhance their global operation and address ethical challenges effectively, and global business leaders must craft relevant and comprehensive ethical codes that address today's global concern to thrive in the competitive business environment.
Based po sa aming research ethics po, ang natutunan ko po is yung pagtugon sa mga isyong ethical sa mga international na kumpanya. Yung mga natutunan ko po is mahalaga na maayos sa mga isyong ethical tulad ng imperialism at universalism sa larangan ng mga negosyo. Hindi lang negosyo, siguro sa pangkalahatan. Isa pa sa mga bagay na dapat magbigyang halaga ang pagiging responsible. Yung pagiging responsible ng mga kumpanya sa kanilang mga action sa mga kanilang negosyo. Sa pamamagitan ng mga relational approach sa pag-address ng mga ethical na dilema, sa pamamagitan ng mga iba't ibang kultura sa international negosyo. Pinapakita dito kung gaano kahalaga magpagpapahalaga sa pagkakaiba ng mga kultura. Dapat ding isama ang mga hamong etikal sa pamamagitan ng misyon, global na strategy ng mga commercial na pang-organization upang mapanatili ang mataas na antas ng etika. So yun lang po yung parang personal takeaways ko po sa aming research ethics po. So yun lamang po.
Ethics course in global business ethics encompass a range of principles and theories that guide ethical decision-making in international contexts. Corporate executives face the challenge of meeting moral expectations across borders and integrating an ethical dimension into strategic decision-making processes. Global business ethics recognize the crossing boundaries involved navigating complex and multidimensional ethical concerns stemming from legal, political, economic, and cultural factors. Overall, navigating global business ethics requires a deep understanding cultural diversity, the ability to navigate varying ethical landscapes, and a commitment to upholding ethical standards while respecting a different cultural perspective.
I have learned in this topic that we should consider ethical issue in business and business world to have a good connection with customer and also globally to have a better relationship with them. Considering that you are not thinking your business but also the effects in environment. If you are doing this business like a eco-friendly products, means you are helping not to people but also in environment. These four principles, human rights, environment, labor, anti-corruption, must be awareness in global business. To consider ethical issue to give them more awareness how to create a better business that help us throughout.
My personal takeaways from the research is that it emphasizes the importance of addressing ethical issues in the global business environment, highlighting the complexity and range of challenges multinational corporations encounter, including human rights, labor practices, environmental sustainability, and anti-corruption. It underscores the necessity for companies to adopt a proactive, values-driven approach to ethics beyond mere compliance, advocating for industry-wide ethical standards and the best practices developed in collaboration with stakeholders. The study further points out the critical need for cultural sensitivity and adaptability to local norms, emphasizing that ethical considerations are a strategic imperative for global business success. It suggests that incorporating ethics into business and decision-making process is essential for minimizing risk and enhancing long-term sustainability, reputation, and competitiveness. The research illustrates the nuanced difficulties of navigating global business ethically, stressing it is a vital change for multinational corporations.